Complete setup tutorial. Download and install MEmu. Click here to download an older but recommended version of MEmu. On the install page, click Custom and select Language and ensure it's set to English. Click Install and wait for it to install. Delete the initial MEmu and create a new MEmu using Android 4.4 by clicking Delete, as the default MEmu is not the correct version of Android. The Multiple Instance Manager is where you can create all of your accounts. Click Create in the bottom right corner and choose Android 4.4. Each of your farm accounts must have its own account in MEmu. Once you've created your accounts, it's a good idea to rename it. Make sure to only use A through Z and 0 through 9 in your name. Press Start to activate the new account. It will upgrade to the Android device. There will be a MEmu introduction. You can end it by clicking the X in the top right. Search Google Play Games and press the search icon. This will lead you to a page where you can add your first Google account. Once you log in, you should see this page. Click on the Google Play Games app and it should say Update. Click Update and wait for the installation to finish. Once installed, click the back arrow and search Nova Launcher in the Play Store. Click Install on the Nova Launcher and let it install. Once installed, click Open, then Next, until you can click Apply on the last page. Open the Nova Launcher. Press the Menu button and swipe to the left to locate and click Nova Settings. Scroll down and click Select Default Home. Click Nova Launcher and select Always. Open the Google Play Store app and search the game you wish to bot. Install the game and open the game. Log into your own account through the game and change your settings to these. Now open your MEmu settings by pressing the gear symbol on the right side of the MEmu. Set performance to middle. Set frame rate to 60 FPS. Some games run better at 10 FPS. Set graphics to OpenGL. Switch to the Others tab. Set cache policy to stability. Set Windows position to remember. Press save and restart now. Switch to the Advanced tab. Here, you'll be able to change the settings of your device model. Try changing your device model if you're having trouble with yours. Now that you've configured one bot, you should clone the bot to copy the configuration, or you can create a new bot and go through all of the steps again. If you decide to clone, make sure to change your Google account. You can batch clone to create multiple instances at once. It's recommended to only clone a small number and then move to larger numbers if everything works smoothly. Press Start and open all of your accounts. Here's how to change the Google account. Click Settings and scroll down to Add Account. Add your Google information to the correct account and repeat this process for each instance of MEmu. When you're done, it's time to download the GN Launcher. Go to this link and click Download this file to download the BoostBot launcher. You'll need to be logged into a BoostBot forum account to download. If you do not have a BoostBot account, make one here. Select the bot you wish to use and either register your purchase license key or activate free trial for a 1.5-hour free trial. To get a license key, click here. On the start page of your bot, you can decide how many sessions you wish to run. We recommend starting with a low amount of sessions and working up to see how many bots your computer can handle. On the Accounts tab, you can see all of your MEmu accounts that you configured earlier. To configure actions for each account, double-click it, and a window will pop up that will allow you to configure its settings. To configure settings, just click the tick box in front of each setting you wish to activate. Select Mark as Default to make the settings the default setting for each account. To learn more about each setting in the bot, click here. Once configured, you'll be able to see check marks showing you it's ready to bot. You can pause and unpause accounts by selecting the account and clicking pause. Congrats! You're done! Enjoy!